everyone, today we are going to make these simple bead earrings which is perfect for beginners to make. Let's take a look at the materials required. Beads, head pins, bead caps, antique silver beads, studs or earring hooks, pliers and cutters, eye pins. First add the bead into the head pin. Next add a bead cap. Cut excess and bend into a loop. Add an eye pin into the loop and close the loop tight. Add the antique silver bead next. Bend and cut the excess. And now make a loop. Add the stud or the earring hook before closing the loop. And our first earring is ready. Repeat the same steps to make the second earring. And our beautiful pair of earrings are ready. If you want more simple tutorials like this, comment down below or check out my channel. Subscribe to our channel, like our videos. Thanks for watching.